I thank the Speaker and I thank the gentleman, and I especially want to thank him for his leadership on this. Nearly 2 years ago, Kate Steinle, a young woman with a promising future, had her life tragically taken away from her when she was brutally murdered by an undocumented criminal who had been convicted of a series of felonies and had been deported 5 times. 5 times. And then he kept coming back, and then he finally killed this innocent young woman, Kate Steinle. Sadly, this tragic event barely registered with the previous administration and other supporters of dangerous sanctuary city policies. During a July 2015 hearing, shortly after Kate's murder, I asked President Obama's Homeland Security Secretary, Jay Johnson, whether the White House had reached out to the Steinle family. I'll never forget what the Secretary said to me. He responded, "Who?" He had no idea who Kate Steinle or her family were. I had to explain to him what had happened to Kate Steinle. It was embarrassing. Mr. Speaker, as a senior member of the Judiciary Committee, I've heard countless stories from families who, like the Steinles, have fallen victim to heinous crimes because of the failure to enforce our nation's immigration laws. We can and must do better to protect all the Kate Steinles all across America from being victimized by undocumented criminals who should never have been here in the first place. I really can't emphasize enough how important this issue is, and H.R. 3004 will help address this problem finally and enhance public safety by toughening the penalties for criminal aliens who have been deported from our country but then keep returning to the United States. And again, far too many of them who commit crimes against innocent Americans like Kate